This Jay and Joel show is for Granny. Hi, Granny.
Hi, Granny.
Thank you for watching our shows.
Yes.
We'd like to
I'll say the words.
Thanks for watching our show. And this episode is
for you.
This episode is for you.
What are you guys doing tonight?
Tonight we're going camping, Granny. So just remind us. And Jay and Joel fans, thank you for watching our shows too.
This show,
we watch our shows. It was funny when I slapped myself like this.
This show,
and a lantern. Thank you for watching our show.
This is a show sponsored by Granny.
This is a show sponsored by the lantern. Hey, what's going on here?